I just got a new tool for not the shop, but out in the yard. It's a tool or maybe a toy. I'm not quite sure. It's probably both actually. It's this Dewalt 60-volt leaf blower. It's the fall time. There's lots of leaves outside. It's a good time to pick up a leaf blower. And I really like the 60-volt lineup of Dewalt. The power of these tools is really incredible, actually. I really like it. So I'm becoming more and more of a fan of 60 volts. When there's an option between 60 volts and 20 volts, I'm leaning towards 60 volts nowadays, even though they are slightly more expensive, but the power is so much more worth it, in my opinion. So one of the best things I like about the flex volt batteries is that I can also use these 60 volt batteries in my 20 volt tools for woodworking. So this one has a 3 amp hour 60 volt flex volt battery, and I can use it eventually with my other Dewalt 20 volt tools as well. And I just think that's an awesome setup. That way you don't have these nice big batteries sitting around doing nothing for a long time. I can also use them for my woodworking tools, and it's just fantastic. I just really like that kind of unique setup they got. Okay, so let's check out what's in this box. Here's the leaf blower itself. That's where the battery will go. And this is the leaf blower. So let's see what else is in here. They give you a new charger, which is good. I have one, but I can always use another one. Here's the end of the leaf blower, the nozzle. Inside the nozzle is the battery. So pretty good, huh? Yeah. Let's put this together and give it a try. So in order to take off this little red guard that they put on these batteries for shipment, just press down the lever that here and just pulls off real nice and easy. It also says you can save this in order to use it again for transportation if you want to. So that's the 9 amp hour battery, which I'm really happy to have. Okay, so let's put this together. Here's the blower with the nozzle. There's a little slot down here on the bottom. That goes on the bottom. That lines up with the slot down here on the leaf blower. See if you get the right angle so you can just kind of see it for a second. But it's there. And then there's 2 clips on the side. So it should just snap on, which it does. You just heard a click. It's actually, a decent size to stand out. It's about waist high, almost waist high. Okay, let's put a battery in. Like I said, this battery has 1 bar on it. It's not fully charged, but there's some juice in it. So let's see what it can do. And, I don't dare blow by the camera, but it sounds pretty good. So today the leaves are wet right now because it was really dewy this morning, foggy. I'm going to take it out there and blow some wet leaves to see what this can do, just because I got to try it out. It's a new toy. But I'm going to put in my fully charged 9 amp hour 60 volt battery that I have on the shelf. Just give it a fair try. Okay, I got my ISO2 earmuffs on. I really like these ISO2 earmuffs. I got the Freeze also, which are the earbuds, but they work fantastic. Now this is noisy, but I probably don't need ear protection, but I'm going to put it on just because when I get to become an old man, I still want to be able to hear. Okay, this has a variable speed on it, so just push it a little bit, and just like that. You can actually see my hand pull back. I didn't move it. That's the machine moving my hand. So that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to give this a try now. will say that was a lot of fun. I'm going to do a little bit more, but look at that. Cleared it out really fast. That little spot back there, it's a pretty good sized spot, probably about 10 feet by 10 feet in just a few seconds. I'm not really sure how long this 9 amp hour battery will last on here. Probably 10, 20 minutes. I'm not real sure, but I do have 2 batteries, at least in my situation. So I'll be able to do quite a bit of leaf blowing, you know, without having to really recharge and stuff. So I'm going to do this a little bit more, have some fun. Just want to emphasize again, repeat what I said, these are wet leaves here. So just imagine when they're dry, they're going to be blowing a lot easier than this. And this leaf blower is doing a fantastic job on wet leaves. So I think that's incredible. So let's go back in the shop and kind of wrap this thing up. Okay, so I just bought this leaf blower and just used it the very little brief that you saw it. Oops. Anyhow, I really do think it's going to work out pretty well. I have a good first impression of it. Time will tell for sure, of course, but I've had good luck with Dewalt products in the past, so I see no reason why I would not have good luck with this one also. It is kind of loud, I will say. I think you reach for hearing protection with it. When I take my hearing protection off, it does hurt my ears a little bit, so that's a good warning sign right there that you should be wearing ear protection with this. And like I said, I really like my ISO2 products. They make all kinds of different products. I like them all. The ones I have the Freeze, which are the earbuds, and I also have these Link 2.0. You might have some newer ones by now, but hey, they're all good products. I like both these products, and just so you know, both the leaf blower and the ISO2, I've had these for over a year, by the way, and these two, I buy these items with my own money, so I'm not sponsored by the company, which gives me the freedom to give you my honest opinion. And like I said, the ISO2 headphones muffs I've had for over a year. I love them, they're fantastic. And the leaf blower, I think it's going to work out really well. It works much better on the wet leaves than I was expecting, so that's really good. So if you're interested in either one of these products, leaf blower or the ISO2 hearing protection, you just check out my bio or my description. On YouTube, it's in my description. On Instagram, it's in my bio. There's a link that takes you to my Amazon store. In my Amazon store, I have over 200 products right now. Mostly woodworking, but there are some yard products in there too. So you can check out my Amazon store with a lot of good products that I enjoy using. Some are tools, some are just products like wood glue and stuff like that. So anytime you're in a market for something like that, go check out my Amazon store, see if there's something there that you like. And the nice thing about Amazon is that through those links, whenever you click on it and you actually purchase something, I get a small commission out of it, but it doesn't cost you anything more. So it helps me out, helps my channel grow a little bit, and it doesn't cost you anything more, which is fantastic. And a little known secret that some people don't realize is that through the Amazon links also, let's say you just go through my Amazon link, but then you don't buy any of the tools or any items I have there, but you do buy something else. It can be anything, paper towels or anything for your home, that I still get a part of that commission off that because you went to Amazon through my link. And while we're talking about Amazon in general, I mean, even if you don't buy through my links, if there's some other content creators that you enjoy watching, help support their channel by going through some of their Amazon links too. I'm kind of in the habit now of, whenever I go to Amazon and buy something, I first go to a link for a content creator that I enjoy watching to help out their channel a little bit, because like I said, it doesn't cost me anything more, but it helps them out. And it's just kind of a nice, neat way that Amazon is doing to help support content creators of all kinds of, no matter what type of video you're making and stuff like that. But for me, I emphasize on the maker community, on the woodworking community, because that's what I'm a part of. So that's enough of a spiel. I really don't like giving the sales pitch all the time. I don't do very often, but just so you kind of know, and I do appreciate you helping me out. So that's all for today. Until next time.